The countdown to the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has begun, and tech enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the next big thing in foldable smartphones. Among the many anticipated upgrades, the camera is taking center stage. Recent information from a trusted industry insider reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature a larger camera bump compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, a design tweak that's stirring up questions and curiosity. A leap in camera technology. The key question on everyone's mind is, does the larger camera bump signify better performance? If leaks are to be believed, the answer is a resounding yes. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to house a revolutionary 200MP primary sensor, an extraordinary upgrade from the 50MP sensor found on the Fold 6. Such a leap in megapixels could mean better image resolution, improved low-light performance, and more detail-rich photography. An insider tweet confirmed the design change. It confirmed, the camera bump on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is bigger than that on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. PandaFlash at PandaFlash Pro. Although the connection between the improved sensor and the larger camera bump hasn't been officially clarified, early insights suggest that the change will be subtle enough to be noticed only by keen observers armed with precision tools. A glance at competition, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 17. While the Fold 7's upgraded camera might not reach the legendary standards of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, it is expected to provide excellent photo quality. The S25 Ultra's performance remains unmatched, but the Fold 7 still shines with its sophisticated design and advanced features. Interestingly, Apple is rumored to introduce a massive camera island design for its iPhone 17 lineup, borrowing inspiration from Google's Pixel series. This bold design choice may overshadow the Fold 7's subtle camera bump in some circles. Real-world performance. What sets Fold 7 apart? Beyond the camera, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 promises noteworthy upgrades under the hood. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same powerhouse driving the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Fold 7 is gearing up to deliver lightning-fast performance and exceptional efficiency. From multitasking to gaming and photography, users can expect seamless functionality and top-tier user experience. Despite trade-offs like potential desk wobble caused by the larger camera bump, the Fold 7's real-world advantages are likely to outshine minor design critiques. Its combination of foldable innovation and cutting-edge hardware makes it a strong contender in the 2025 foldable smartphone market. The foldable future. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just another smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of foldable technology. As the foldable segment evolves, devices like the Fold 7 continue to push boundaries and redefine how users interact with their phones. With premium features and sleek designs, foldables are increasingly becoming the go-to choice for tech-savvy individuals.